Okay guys, so this is the Hohem iSteady X2. So gonna unbox this here. So this is a pretty nice packaging so far. You can see this is kind of what you get. It tells you how to activate the app and everything, gives you some QR codes there for finding that stuff. And yeah, even talks about kind of the remote control that's in there and kind of how to use that, some of the face tracking, how to do some of these quick functions like the quick switch, inception mode. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Okay, so then this is what we see next here. Let's see what this is. All right, so that's a pretty hefty user manual there. This looks like this is going to be the carrying case for this, so it's a nice soft felt pouch to be able to package this in and kind of take with you places, so that's a nice thing to have. All right, and then here is the gimbal. So this is the black version. You can see this is the little tripod kind of foot base. So this is plastic. It's definitely like lighter and not quite as robust as like the DJI Osmo 5 and stuff like that. But yeah, this is a nice little accessory to have as well. I love having these to be able to actually set it down on a table and stuff like that. Here's the charging cable. So it's nice to see this is, yeah, Type C. And then it's cool they give you this little remote as well. So you have this little controller. You know, you could pocket this then, and if you're walking away, you'd be able to take a group shot or something like that. So that's nice. Take some remote shots with this. And then this is the actual gimbal itself right here. See the Hohem logo there. Folds all together here. Let's see, this basically unfolds here. It kind of notches in there, but yeah, that's kind of how it unfolds, and this just pops out. So we'll test this with a few different phones and stuff. I'll let you know kind of how it works with multiple sizes and all that kind of stuff. But you can see the buttons and indicators. You get the battery indicator there, Bluetooth indicator, it looks like, and stuff here. Here's your little joystick you can use to control it. Some other controls here. I think this is for photo and video mode. This is for your orientation, and then the power button as well. So I'll go horizontal portrait mode. Charging cable goes right in here. Like I said, that Type C cable they give you. But yeah, the whole thing here, it's all like, you know, plastic build quality. Feels very solid up here on the top part. Pretty lightweight, you know, down here and stuff too. It's not too heavy, which is good. And then for the clamp here, they have kind of one of the classic, you know, clamps. That does look like that gets pretty big. So that's nice to see. So this is my iPhone 13 Pro with a case on, and you can see it can accommodate that very well. There's no issues whatsoever with that. So we'll see how it does weight-wise and everything, but that's very nice to see that it's able to hold the phone like this with the case on, so you don't have to mess with taking the case on and off. So it looks like also on the side here, you've got, it says here, straighten the arm and tighten. So when this is tightened, you know, it's not going to allow this to fold back over and stuff. So I guess when you have this turned on and you're about to use it, you just want to do that, tighten that up. On here on the side, there's actually a little zoom button as well. So for, it looks like going in and out, you can use that. And then just to show you, I screwed on this tripod here. So that's where then you can splay those legs out, and you're going to be able to put that down on a tabletop and a flat surface like this. And it's nice, then you could go a few feet away and everything, and then you've got your little remote here to where then you could take some shots and stuff remotely, and you know, maybe get a group shot, or if you're alone, you know, vlogging, stuff like that, you can set this up and get yourself. So yeah guys, I'll do a full review of this also for sure, but I've been using this actually with my Pixel 6 Pro, and I'm happy to say that it really accommodates that with no issues. I have the thin case on that phone even, and even with that case on, it accommodates it well. It holds steady with the weight of that phone even. So yeah, full review will be coming up, but thanks for watching guys. Make sure you subscribe and like this video so you don't miss that. See you on the next one.